What if I told you you can tie a perfect tie in just 12 seconds? Without a mirror, without a collar, and without the usual stress. Sound impossible? I'll prove it. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered what I call a 12-second knot. And once you've tied it once, you'll never do it the old way again. Start by laying your tie flat on the table, with the seam facing upwards. Cross the white end over to make a loop. Drop it with the tip pointing towards you. Do the same thing with the thin end, but this time with the tip pointing away from you. That's step one, and you're already a third of the way there. Take this smaller loop and twist it over once, then twice. Now this next move is an important one. Slip this larger loop over the top of the smaller one. So we're lifting the larger loop and we're simply dropping it over the top. The smaller loop should now be sitting inside the larger one. See how it's already forming the base of the knot? Okay, here's where it all comes together. Thread the thin end through the center here and line it up with the keeper loop. That's the label on the back of your tie. This little adjustment makes a huge difference later on, as you'll see in a few moments. Pinch both ends of the tie with your right hand and hold them firmly. With your other hand, pull the neck loop out, like this, alternating on both sides. Now we're not done yet. This next step is absolutely crucial. How do we make sure it fits over your head and sits properly once it's on? Simple. Hold the knot with one hand. Pull the neck loop out to widen it, or pull the narrow end to tighten it. That's how you size it. Lock in the shape and give it a crisp, clean finish. Not bad for something you tied on a table, right? If you want to level up your tie game even further, check out this next video. I'll show you a knot that looks amazing, even without a jacket. Casual, sharp, super versatile. Hit that next video and see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.